Players dial in their focus in this fun warm-up game called Land, Air, Sea. Use a half-court size space. Then, use 2 cones to mark a line long enough for the whole team to stand on. Here's how it looks. Tell your players to listen closely for one of 3 commands.
Right now, you guys are in land, okay? So if I were to say land, you would just stay where you are, okay? Jump over the line with 2 feet, okay? This is called sea, right? So if I said sea, you would stay in the sea. If I said air, you would do a 2-foot jump up in the air.
Land means players step behind the line. Sea means players step over the line. And air means players must jump in place.
So, sea, air, sea. Jog over, jog over.
When players do the wrong motion, they jog to the side and wait for the next round.
Air, sea, air, land, sea. You're out. Okay, we got final 3.
Last player standing wins the round.
Jog over. Sea, winner.
This game is great for the start of practice since it gets players concentrating and ready to play. It's also useful for the actual game. In basketball, court awareness is essential. A toe on the line is all it takes to turn a 2-pointer into a 3.
Gotcha.